Hey guys, here I have these dishwasher tabs I want to talk to you a little bit about. So these dishwasher tabs are really nice in case you have any buildup in your dishwasher, in case there's any scum, any marks. You just want to disinfect it if you're getting kind of a funky smell in there. These tabs are great for that. It comes in a 24 pack. It's meant for a year's supply, so you use them twice a month. It also comes with this nice little nifty chart here so you can keep track of it. I like to pin mine right on the inside of my cabinet door here so I can just mark it off so I know I did it. So these tablets here inside, they're individually wrapped, really nice. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take a tab, like I say, you're gonna do it twice a month. I like to. If it's the first time you're using them, you're gonna wanna go ahead and use two. If not, you can just go ahead and use one unless it's really grimy, really smelly, you need to get that nice deep clean. You're gonna open it up. You're going to stick it right in where you would put your detergent. If you don't have a spot like this in your dishwasher, you can just go ahead and toss it near the bottom of it. So you're going to go ahead and toss it in there. You're going to close it up. If you want to do two for a little extra deep clean, you can go ahead and just stick it right in the bottom too. And then you're going to go ahead and close it up. Make sure you don't have any dishes inside of it. You're going to close up your dishwasher. You're going to turn it on just a normal cycle, and you're going to go ahead and let that go. Once it's done to air dry, you're going to go ahead and just open it up, and you're going to want to let air dry. So this box gets you a 1-year supply. You're going to use them twice a month, like I said. So if you're looking for something to just maintain your dishwasher, keep it nice and clean, extend the life of your dishwasher, I highly recommend these cleaning tabs. Thanks for watching.